What's good, YouTube? It's your boy DC Done That back in the building with another beginner's tutorial, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to use the piano roll inside FL Studio. Okay, so I already got FL keys pulled up in the channel rack, but once you got whatever sample, VST, or drum you want to use in the channel rack, just right click and then click on piano roll. Alright, this first button right here is your piano roll options. This is how you get to your tools, edit, and add time markers and different things like that. This little wrench right here is how you access your tools. If you need to chop, strum, or humanize notes, this will be where you do it. This third button will be your snap to grid. As you can see, they got a lot of options down here you can choose from, or you can go to none if you don't want it to snap to a grid at all. This fourth button is your snap to scale. When you turn on the snap to scale, no matter where you click at in the piano roll, it'll only put in notes within the scale. This next button is the stamp tool. If you struggle with chords and scales, you can just click on this button, find a chord or scale that you want to play, left click, and it'll put the whole chord or scale in the piano roll. This next button is for loop mode. This next button is the draw tool, and you use the draw tool to add notes to the piano roll. Left click to add a note, and right click to delete it. The next button is your paint tool, and you use the paint tool to paint in multiple notes. The next button is the paint and drum sequencer mode, and you basically use this when you're making different drums like hi-hats and stuff like that. The next button is the delete button. When you got this selected, just left click a note to delete it. This next button is your mute tool. When you got this selected, you can just click a note to mute that note. This next button is your slice tool, and when you got the slice tool selected, you can just left click, drag, let it go, and that's an easy way to chop drums up inside of the piano roll. This next button is your selection tool, and all you got to do to use this is just left click and drag over the notes that you want to select. This next button right here is going to be how you zoom in and zoom out. To zoom in, just left click, and to zoom out, right click. This next button right here is going to be your playback button. To use the playback button, just hover over whatever note that you want to hear and left click. This next button right here is to play and pause. When you click this drop down menu right here, it just shows all the different VSTs, samples, and drums that you got inside the channel rack, and you can just click on whatever one you want to pull up, but I only got FL keys pulled up right now, so that's the only thing that's showing. Down here you got your controls for each individual note. If you want to change the velocity of a note, change the pan of a note, this will be where you do that at. Right now it's on velocity. If I want to bring the volume or velocity down to this note, I could just bring this down. If you want to pan notes left or right, just come to note pan and pan it left or right, whatever way you want it. This button right here is to portamento a note, and this button right here is to slide notes. And to do that, you just click in a note, click the slide, and then click in the note that you want it to slide to. Alright, so that's a quick video of me showing y'all how to use the piano roll inside FL Studio. I hope this video helped somebody out. If it did, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more videos like this that's coming. If you got any videos that you would want me to make, please make sure you leave a comment in the comments letting me know what that is. Till our next video, I'ma holla at y'all. Peace.